Hey there, YouTube. Lately, I've been interested in using the iPhone 5 front-facing camera for doing videos and video reviews and sort of video diaries that I could post onto YouTube. But what I wanted to do was find a better audio solution. So I did some searching around and wanted to look for something that was sort of on the inexpensive side. And I found some Bolun WR-601 wireless lavalier mics, as you can see that I have here. These were on eBay. They seem to be fairly popular, but they run for only about $6 a set. And that includes shipping direct from China. So I thought for $6 I would pick up a couple, try them out, and see how they work. So in this audio test, what we're going to do is I'm going to speak just the same sort of similar line in all three tests. The first test, I'm going to just talk using the Bolun WR-601 plugged directly into the iPhone 5. In the second test, I'll be still using the Bolun WR-601, but this time I'm going to put the video through my Mac and use iMovie's enhanced audio feature to reduce background noise. And I'll probably reduce it anywhere between 50 to 60% and see how that sounds. And then in the third test, I'm gonna speak in the same voice and just use the iPhone 5's built-in microphone and compare the three. And then we'll see how it all turns out. All right. So this is test number one. I'm talking in a normal voice. I'm walking towards the camera to a specific point. I'm using the Bolun WR-601 wireless microphone. It's plugged directly into the iPhone 5 using a Peterson iPod iOS tuner adapter. We'll see how this sounds. So this is test number two. I'm still talking in a normal voice, and I'm still using the Bolun WR-601 wireless microphone system. It's plugged directly into the iPhone using that same Peterson adapter. The only difference in this test is once I import it into the computer, the audio that you're hearing right now is going through the enhanced audio feature of iMovie, and the background noise is being reduced by about 60%. Okay, now this is test number three. I'm still talking in the same normal voice that I was using before. I'm still walking to the same predetermined spot away from the iPhone 5. But I'm just using the iPhone 5's built-in microphone for this audio test. So no lavalier mic, I took it off, as you can see. So this is just the iPhone 5's built-in audio. I'm standing roughly about, say about 10 feet away from the iPhone 5 in all three tests. So I'm going to go and throw this into the computer and see how they all sound and come up with a conclusion. Well, there you have our three audio tests using the Bolun WR-601 wireless microphone system with our iPhone 5's front-facing camera. Now for me, using that Bolun WR-601 wireless microphone system did give me the best audio for recording the video. I did notice though that there is a lot of background noise and hiss when just using the sort of raw footage. But after putting the video through iMovie and using that audio enhance feature to reduce background noise by about 60%, it seemed to get rid of all the background noise and not affect my vocals and the audio that I was speaking. So all in all, for a $6 investment on eBay and another $10 investment for the adapter cable, I think it's a pretty good deal. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys. All right, have a great day. Okay guys, I thought I would just add some visuals of the equipment and the devices I was using in the creation of this video. Here you see my new iPhone 5 and the two other components I used to make the video. So here we have the Bolun WR-601 microphone. This is how it comes. It comes in a little vinyl case. You open it up, you've got some instructions here. You have your wireless transmitter pack right there. Uses a 9-volt battery. And then you have your wireless receiver. There has a 1/4-inch male adapter and a antenna wire there on the end. This one uses a AAA battery. And here you have the lavalier mic with a little tie clip. So you would take this lavalier mic here. It plugs into the adapter that has a little belt clip there on the back, and you would put that up and pin that on your shirt. So then the adapter that I used to connect this all to the iPhone 5 is here. It's made by a company called Peterson, and it's an adapter cable for the iPod Touch and iPhone. And it says here on the package that you can connect an instrument or microphone with a 1/4-inch plug directly into your device using the headphone jack. Works with iPhone 3, 3GS, iPod Touch, 2G and 3G. And as indicated in my tests, it obviously works with the new iPhone 5. And like I said, I bought this on eBay for $9.99 off of a music store, and it's primarily sold by this Peterson company. They have an app for the iPhone called the iStrobosoft Peterson Tuner, and I guess it's a guitar tuning app that you can use, and you would plug this adapter into your iPhone right here, and you would plug your electric guitar into that guy there, and then use the app to tune your guitar. But like it says on the package, it can be used for microphones. So what I did was you just take your iPhone 5, and the new headphone jack is now on the bottom. So I plugged that into there, and then I would take the Bolun wireless microphone receiver, which also has that 1/4-inch jack, and plug that into there. And that's it. Turn them on, and you would turn on your Bolun receiver there. There's a little red light that lights up when you have the batteries on, and you go from there. You got your wireless lavalier system to record video on. All right. Thanks for watching.